Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix App Store asking for billing information when you try to download and install apps from the App Store, and it asks for billing information, and you have to provide your billing information. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And here you have to simply turn it off again, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply check what kind of error is occurring. So here if you click on that app to try to download and install, and it asks for double click and also asks for the Face ID, and as you provide your Face ID, then it will ask for the payment information, which means you have to provide your payment method as you want to download and install that app. So here you can simply see that payment information is required. Type continue to sign in, then update your billing info. So here you can simply provide your billing payment if you want to use that app. So if you want to use that app, then you have to provide your billing information. So how you can fix that? For this, there are two methods available. The first method is as that you have to simply go to setting, then you have to go to name or Apple ID here, and here you have to click on media and purchases, then you have to click on view account. And after that, what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available, which will try to check your verification. And here you can simply find manage payments, and here you can simply try to add your payment method. So here you can simply add any payment method like credit card, debit card, Union Pay, and American Express. And after that, you have to provide all the details of your payment method. And after that, as you try to download it and install apps, it will not ask for the billing information again. And the second method is that you have to simply open the App Store, and you have to click on that home button, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID, and here you can simply click on again your name or Apple ID, and after that you have to wait for some time, and a new kind of interface available, and you have to simply click on that payment manage payments option, and you have to provide the payment method again. Same method is for that again. So you have to provide all the details for your payment information, and after that App Store will not ask for you any payment method. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.